Hey everyone, this is Trambo70. Today, I got something in the mail. It's a Bachmann narrow gauge personnel. It came with 5 people. They are Mr. Percival, his wife, and 3 workmen. So here's the front and the back. Show some other figures, Bachmann Thomas figures available to buy, I think. And now, let's unbox narrow gauge personnel. Hang on. There we go. I'm going to set on that. Here's Mr. Percival, his wife, hang on. I'm just going to set it down on the ground. There we go. Oops, sorry about that. And 3 workmen. So, here they are. Let's take a look at them. Here's Mr. Percival, his wife, and 3 workmen. What do you think of them? Let me know down in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys will watch this video, and we'll see you in the next video.